Hi everyone, in this video, we will write a Python script to automate the routine work on the computer. We will automate the management of files and folders on the computer, sort the files by type and send them to the appropriate folder. Let's get started. Enjoy watching. First, you need to install Python on your computer. You need to go to the python.org website, the link will be in the description, and download the latest Python version. At the end of the download, open the file and go through the installation steps. Do not forget to check the box to add the Python to the path. In addition to Python, we need a code editor such as a Visual Studio or Atom. Of course, you can write everything in Notepad, but the code editor is much more convenient. Text editors are downloaded like regular programs. The link will also be in the description. To start, create a new text file and change its extension by typing that py at the end. Then open File with Visual Studio Code. To start, we import the necessary libraries. Next, we request a list of all files in the download folder. Then, create lists of file extensions for each category. The script will check the file extension. For example, if the file extension is img or png, it will be sent to the image folder, etc. Then create the paths for each category. Next, we check the extension of each file in the download folder. If it is one of the category extension, we add the file to the corresponding folder. Also, we check if the folder does not exist, we create it. And so for each category. let's test our script. I created different files in the download folder. Let's run our sorting script. As you can see, all the files are sorted into the appropriate folders. This is a simple example of using scripts. You can improve the script by adding more categories or set the execution time. It all depends on you and your imagination. And that's probably all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join the channel by clicking the subscribe button and do not forget to tell your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye, everyone.